some participants from some lady candidates also sitting over there. Yes, दोनों में difference क्या है?
Balance sheet shows the profit and losses of the company.
No. Balance sheet shows the real financial position of a company, whereas income statement will show the profit and loss. Whatever you earn will go in balance sheet. Okay, let me give you one example. You have purchased a machine. You have purchased a machine. Rupees 10,000. You have purchased a machine worth rupees 10,000. At the same time, you have paid salaries rupees 10,000. Is there any difference in nature of the transactions? Okay. Let me take another example. You take example of yourself. You have spent rupees 30,000 to purchase a motorbike, and you have spent rupees 30,000 on yourself for say for your marriage. Is there any difference between these two?
Yes.
What is that difference?
Assets like you can sell and get back the money, but the money spent on the marriage will never be.
The word you said is the asset. Purchasing motorcycle has formed your asset. Other is expense. It's expenditure, the value of which you will not get back. The asset you are having in your hand. In the same way, what the balance sheet does. Balance sheet shows the assets and liabilities of the business at a given point of time. Asset shows the liabilities and assets of a business at a given point of time. Whereas income statement shows the actual financial profits or losses in a given period of time. Period is important. Here period is important. Where we consider period? Period is considered when we go for income statement. Whereas when we are talking about financial position, it is a point. Okay, you can prepare balance sheet at any point, even after doing every entry. We will discuss it further. How balance sheets can be prepared after making one entry or two entry. So, is the funda clear up till here? The difference between expenditures and asset. दोनों ही केस में पैसा बाहर जा रहा है. In both the situation, you are spending money. There is some outflow. There is some outflow of money every time. Getting or not?
Yes.
But the difference is that one is resulting in formation of your asset, while other is resulting in expense. So one you will show in the balance sheet, other you will show in income statement. In the same way, there are various modes of profits. So when there are modes of profits, they are all shown in income statement, and whenever there is creation of any asset or any liability. For example, let me take the same example. Suppose you have taken a loan of rupees 30,000 to purchase your motorbike. So what it is? On one hand, it has created a liability on you. मेरा दायित्व है, मेरा उत्तरदायित्व है, मुझे देना है किसी को वापस, क्योंकि मैंने किसी से पैसा लिया है. I have taken some money from somewhere, and accordingly I have to give it back. Are you getting my point? So what's that? That is a liability. On the same time, there is creation of asset. So balance sheet. Why a balance sheet is called balance sheet? Because it is always balanced. A sheet which is balanced is called balance sheet. I better define it in this way. People say it's a statement showing financial position of a company at a given point of time. I say the sheet which is balanced is called balance sheet because it always balances. Because why? Because every transaction you do, there is an equal effect on assets and liabilities. Okay? Assets is equal to equities. Whatever assets you are having, it should be equal to equities or liabilities. Assets are economic resources that are expected to benefit future activities of an organization. I have purchased a bike. Why? So that I may get benefit out of it. If I have purchased some machine for the business concern, why? So that I can get, my organization can get benefit out of it. Isn't it? Of course, expenses are also done for benefits. Expenses are also done for benefits. Isn't it? For example, a person has spent something. Why a person will spend? Why you will spend to purchase a pen? It's a hard time for you to go to your exams. What you will do? You will purchase a pen. You will purchase a pen. Why? You have to write it in the papers. That there you will not see